Hey guys, welcome back to Stack. Today I will be showing you how to fix frozen taskbar Windows 11. So guys, if this ever happened to you, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and go to your keyboard and tap in Control Shift Escape. And now from here, it will open up the task manager. And now over here, guys, you could just simply search for Windows Explorer. So guys, here on the Windows Explorer, you could just simply right click on this one and you could just simply select a restart, and mostly this can fix your issue. But now if it doesn't work out, you could just simply go ahead and go to the run new task over here. And from here, you could just simply type in Explorer.exe, and mostly creating a new task with the Explorer.exe can fix the issue. Now, if it doesn't work out, guys, you can just simply go ahead and press and hold your computer's power button for about 10 to 20 seconds until it completely shuts down. And after that, just simply wait for a few seconds. Then you could just simply go ahead and press the power button again to turn it back on. Now, if it doesn't work out, you just simply go for the CMD over here at the start menu and just simply search for SFC space slash scan now, and mostly this will fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.